So we start off today's video with this DIY vase design. I really like the personalization she does with this, really putting in a nice little simple design. It almost looks like she's like decorating a cake or something. So mesmerizing. And then it looks like she put her coffee pods in that. Wow, I thought it was going to be like a floral vase, but it's actually a coffee pod container. Very cool. Oh, she has candles in there. Wow, that's so funny. I thought those were coffee pods. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have someone with some matchsticks. Okay, so this is really interesting. A lot of red, which you don't typically see in these DIY designs. Oh, little roses. Oh, wow, that is really pretty. This person has a very good imagination because I would never be able to come up with this type of design with the matchsticks. So many different ways you can actually play around with them. Really interesting. Oh, wow. Okay, there needs to be a mirror in the middle of this because stunning. Definitely cool design. And then we have someone doing like this pebble trend. So I've seen this quite a bit on TikTok. They use like this adhesive, and they just kind of put the tile there. And she's doing like this stone design. I love this idea. It really kind of reminds you of like a spa and just bringing that element into your home. So relaxing. Then we have someone with the IKEA placemats here. So she must be getting ready to make like a table. I've seen this a couple of times on TikTok. Different variations, but similar aesthetic and design. So she did 2 placemats for this. Okay, so hers is like a really skinny design, really slender side table maybe. Oh, I don't know how sturdy that is. I don't know. It's cute though, it's really pretty. I just don't know how sturdy and how long it would actually last. So here we have someone with an old laundry container. So she's cutting this. Oh, wow, another flower design. Oh, a succulent planter. That's pretty. So here we have another. Okay, this one is definitely a mirror design, I think. I have been wrong before. Already in this video, I've been wrong, so we'll see. Yeah, so they're doing like the nice standard like bamboo inspired design here, putting in the tassels. I feel feel like this project is very beginner friendly. Not really a fan of just like the 4 tassels hanging. I think I like it better when they're like all the way around. But this is nice. I mean, if that's your style, that's your style. Okay, so this person has to be making a table. They have to be making a table. Oh, so this is actually an old wooden tabletop that they're using here for this. You can use a cutting board. We've seen that already in this video. Now this design looks way more sturdier than that other one we saw. It just looks like it will last longer. Very good quality design. And then we have these cute little coasters. Oh, so they're already pre-colored. That's nice. I like her nails. They're so pretty. I like the fact that she mixed the colors here. This is so pretty. And it's such a simple design too. This is definitely a beginner friendly project. Okay, then we're having some type of bed folding video. Okay. This is how you get your bed to look like you're like spending the night at a hotel, you know? Like this folding technique, hotel quality. And then we have another mirror design. This one is really pretty. Look at those roses there, and then the pearls. Gorgeous. Very fancy design, and for some reason it's making me think of like holiday, Christmas. Oh, we have another laundry inspired floral pot here. With an elephant. This is cute, something your kids will like. So instead of keeping the bottom half, she kept the top this time. That's cute. Oh, she's still utilizing the... Oh, wow. That was really cute. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed all these DIY project ideas and my reactions to them. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.